In this video, I'll show you how to change the mobile font size in Squarespace. Now, the first step is to head over to mobile view. On default, we are set as the desktop view, and to change to mobile view, simply head over to the top and right hand side, and beside the desktop view, you will see a small phone. So click on that to change to mobile view. Now, once that's done, you will automatically be greeted with the mobile view. And from here, you want to simply head over to the top bar again. And on the left hand side, simply click on edit so we can start customizing our website. Now, once you are on your Squarespace website, the first step is to actually head over a text box. As you can see here, I have a text box, and to change its size, you want to simply click on it. And one thing that you have to know first is that on this text box, you will see the squares. If I hold and drag these squares, it won't make the text box smaller. However, it will adjust to the size. To remove this, what you want to do is simply click on the text box, and on the right hand side, you will see this pencil. So simply click on the pencil to edit. Now, once you do that, a few options will show at the very top. And from here, you want to highlight the whole text. And at the top, you want to click on the letter A with arrows on the corner and click on Scale Text. Once you do that, whenever we click on the text box and on the frame, on the squares, if I hold and drag, as you can see, it will automatically scale the text whenever I make the text box smaller. This will also apply to a paragraph. So if I click on paragraph and I test this out by holding, as you can see, it won't adjust. So if I click on the pencil to edit again, highlight the whole text and click on scale text, as you can see, it will automatically follow its size. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.